Hello student, today I am going to explain you chapter 21, that is concept of perimeter and area of class 6. First of all, in this chapter, let us understand perimeter of a plane figure. So perimeter is what? It is the sum of the lengths of all sides of a plane figure or the length of its boundary is called the perimeter of the figure. Means when we are adding the boundary or we are taking the total calculation of the boundary, then we can say that is a perimeter of the figure. See here, one pentagon is here. So how you will find out the perimeter of this pentagon? So perimeter will be equals to A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Means this is the measurement of the sides of this pentagon. Now perimeter of a rectangle. So in the rectangle you know that opposite sides are equal. So the perimeter of rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth. Why? Because the opposite sides are equal. So 2 times we will write length and 2 times breadth. So it will give you 2 into length plus breadth. See the picture? This length and this length means both opposite sides are equal. So we can write L plus L. Then after this breadth and this breadth is equal. So we will write B plus B. So 2 times L is coming and 2 times B is coming. So that's why we are writing 2L plus B. In this way we are writing it. Now come to the question. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 15.4 cm and 11.6 cm respectively. So length of the rectangle is 15.4 cm and breadth of the rectangle is 11.6 cm. So perimeter, we will use the formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. We will substitute the value of L and B in the given formula. So when you add it, you will get 2 into 27, that is 54 cm. So 54 cm is the answer of this question. Means we are getting perimeter of rectangle as 54 cm. Now come to the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square means we are adding all the sides, and you know that in a square all the sides are equal and we have 4 sides. So 4 into side is the perimeter of a square, and if the measurement of side is A, so we will write 4A. See here, this all sides are equal, so this side and this side, this side. So 4 sides are here, so A plus A plus A plus A, it will give you 4A. Now take a one question. Find the perimeter of a square each whose side measures 3.6 cm. Each side of the square is 3.6 cm. So perimeter of the square will be equals to 4 into side. So 4 into 3.6 cm, it will give you 14.4 cm. Now circumference of a circle. Just like a perimeter of given figure, we will find the circumference of a circle. Circumference means same, means we are taking the boundary of the circle. So the perimeter of a circle is called its circumference, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle and pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. Now take a one question. Find the circumference of a circle of radius 14 cm. The radius of the circle is equals to 14 cm. Circumference of the circle formula, that is 2 pi r. We will take the value of pi as 22 by 7 and r already it is given, that is 14. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 14. We can reduce 7 to the 14 like this. So we will get 2 into 22 into 2, that is 88 cm. So this is the circumference of the circle. Thank you.